Generating random dates in Excel is a clever trick that relies on understanding how the software thinks. You can use the RANDBETWEEN function to pick a number between two specific date and numbers. To generate a random day within the year, you would use the formula. Put the equal sign, type rand between, open the bracket, type date, open the bracket and type the year 2026, comma, 1st January, first day, close the bracket, comma, space and type date, and now put the bracket 2026, comma, 12/31, close the bracket and close the bracket to complete the formula. So this tells Excel to choose a random integer between the start and end of the year. So when you hit enter, since the result is technically a number, Excel might display a raw value like this one instead of a readable date. So don't panic, your formula worked perfectly. To fix this, you simply need to change the cell format. Drag it. So right click on the format cell. Under the number tab, click on the date. For example, if you select this date, and here are the results. When you click again, go to the format cells, and now if you select date and time format, click OK, and it will turn into this format. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.